is Contenders 3431. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will go to person spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom will go to person spot 30. We'll then randomize one more time, and the team on top after that spin will win a spot in the big boy break. The finals break. Here we go. 3, 4, 3, 1. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. The top team for me is the Clippers. The bottom team for you is the Raptors. That's 5 times. You can see it right there. We're going to put that in exactly where you picked up your spots. In 3, 4, 3, 1. Contenders. Sorry, it says CK, but it is Contenders. Now we'll randomize one more time. Whoever's on top after this spin will win the spot in the break. Here we go. Geez, Huss, I would go, ye old Cork Kings. One time, let's do this. It'll say one time right there. Let's go. It'll say 6 times right there. Here we go. The winner is the Utah Jazz. Now, did I just see somebody complaining about that? Jack, sorry, by complaining, you've officially ruled yourself unable to win. Oh, yes, of course, Jacob. Jack, unfortunately, by complaining, the spot now goes to me. Jack, would you like East or West? Sorry, Jack, just remember, that now goes to me, so you're choosing for me. West. Alrighty, congratulations, Jack. No worries, buddy. Alrighty. Here we go, 3, 4, 3, 1. Now the actual break. Listen, I don't think there's going to be a single bad team in this in these finals breaks. There'll be teams that don't hit as much, but any team is potential to be good. Thank you, Owen. I appreciate that. I'm very excited to be in this break. Playoff ticket, Andrew Wiggins at 249. I won't keep making that joke because I feel like people will actually believe it. Congrats, Jack. Happy for you, buddy. First round ticket to 249. Hawks. Lottery ticket, Dev Vassell. Actually, I've never done that before. The old fan. I don't think it works. Lottery ticket, Aaron Neesmith. Is West first? I think West will be first. I mean, I don't know how to make a choice on that. Denny Avdia, there are no discount codes at the moment. You should get one in your inbox every time you buy something, though. For like $5 off or something. Rookie of the Year, Obi Toppin. Says West first. Yeah, whatever break is lower numerically. Sorry, that's how it is. Oh, Redemption. Bloody hell. It has been Redemption City. Not all of them are good, but let's hope. Veteran season ticket stub. Oh, jeez. 1 second, because I'm going to find out who's in this veteran season ticket. Alrighty, 1 second. This is going to take a little bit. That signing list is absolutely incredible. Card 9. Shaquille O'Neal. That is huge. Congratulations to the Lakers. I think they're jersey numbered. Is there? Oh no, 41 or less. Yes, because Dirk is 41, so that'll be less than that. Who's got the Lakers in this one? 3, 4, 3. LA Lakers. Spot 3. Justin Ballantyne. Congratulations. It has been Shaq City across like 3 different products. Or 2. Huge. So what number will that be? 34? Well, Crowy, it's a different product. We got Shaq in Cork Kings earlier. It wasn't even this one. And the other order is for the Pacers, Cassius Stanley. No, so that's not as good, but I tell you what, you'd take everything else. Yeah, it's damn, it's a shame you won't get to see that one. Lottery ticket, James Wiseman. Yeah, so 2 in Kings, 1 in Contenders now. Sweet shots of Luka Doncic. LeBron. Lottery ticket, Obi Toppin. And then finally, yeah, Shaq is everywhere, which, you know, no one's complaining about. Sweet shots of KD. And then that is that for Contenders, 3, 4, 3, 1.